What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Riding Dad video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. We're doing another install. It's my favorite kind of video. I know it's your favorite kind of video. Today we're installing this brake lever linkage from Greene Brothers. For those of you who don't know, I like Greene Brothers. I have some other stuff from them on my bike. I actually ordered this from Tucker Speed, which I have an affiliate link and a discount code for you guys in the description. But before we get into the install, let us roll that beautiful, beautiful intro.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a YouTube channel, it's the Riding Down a
All right, so why would you want one of these brake lever linkages? Well, one, for starters, it's cool, and everybody knows riding a Harley is 99% looking cool and 1% performance. And then the other reason is because this is adjustable, so it's practical, which, again, nobody cares about that. We only care about looking cool, but if you care, this is adjustable. So what that means is your brake lever sits like this. It feels like it sits like this because the Harley stock rear brake lever sucks with the positioning. So this will allow your brake lever to sit higher up or lower if you so choose. But yeah, this is it. Give you guys a little closer look. On one side, there's gonna be, so this is the side without it. It's all smooth here, and there's no markings on the locking nut. And then this side, if you can see, there's like the little ring that splits up this shaft part of it. Oh, shaft. And then this nut, has little markings on it. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is the part that Greene Brothers specifies to put facing the rear, not caliper, why can't I think of the name? Cylinder, the rear master cylinder. So this is the part that's gonna go closest to the reservoir. And then beyond that, should be a pretty simple install. It doesn't come with ARP bolt hardware like the shifter linkage does that I put on. I will link that video right here so you guys can see that real quick too if you want. But yeah, the other important thing to note, you'll see me do it, but I want to specify, because of the way this is, because it's not straight, due to the design of the Harley mid controls or forward, really just the controls, it has to be this kind of elbow shaped. So you will have to adjust the length of it before you put it on. And Greene Brothers directions recommends putting it on without Loctite first, setting the, putting your feet on there and actually deciding whether you want the brake lever taller or shorter, or, up farther or down lower or whatever, and then taking it off, then locking it, and putting it, reinstalling it with the Loctite, blue Loctite. So let's go. All right, so the first step is gonna be to remove stuff. We gotta remove the brake lever, which as you see here, I have a aftermarket Flow Motorsports brake lever, and the brake lever linkage, which we're gonna be replacing in a second. So let's go ahead and remove all of that. Next step, we're gonna make sure we're facing this the proper way with the markings facing forward towards the master cylinder, and install this onto the actual brake lever. Then put the brake lever back on and install the actual linkage to the master cylinder control. Last but not least, when we got every angle exactly how we want it, keep in mind we had to adjust it prior to this, but after we get everything exactly where we want it, we're gonna put those locking nuts down, cinched nice and tight. All right, all done. Before we talk about that, I want to talk about my shirt because, again, it's from Tucker Speed. There's the affiliate link, whatever. I just want to show it off because this is my second favorite shirt. Actually, it might be my first favorite. I don't know. I really dig this. Check out the back. Oh, yeah. It's an awesome shirt, right? Very cool, very 80s, 90-ish throwback or whatever, retro. I like it a lot. Their shirts fit good. They're very light. They're comfortable. They're good shirts. They're not expensive at all. But yeah, so again, I'm telling you this because that's where I got my product, this Greene Brothers brake lever linkage. So yeah, again, there's the affiliate code in the description of this and every other video lately. And again, not only does the affiliate code help me, but my coupon code, RidingDad, gets you, I think it's 10% off, whatever it was. It gets you a discount off. I have the description tells you what it is. It's either 5 or 10. But anyway, yeah. So the shift linkage. I know it might look on camera probably like my brake lever is a little bit high, and that's because it is, quite honestly. I like my brake lever higher. I like to put as little pressure as I have to, and more like my weight on my foot and leg to kind of start to engage the brake lever. You don't use your back brake a ton. It's not like your shift lever where you're using that, you know, especially in heavy traffic, like every second. And you're only going one way on it. So I like it where it's at. I installed it, and you guys saw me install it. That was a stupid thing to say, but I installed it where it's at. So hopefully over the next couple of weeks, practical riding, I don't want to change it. If I do want to change it, it's very easy. Just remove that one bolt closer to the master cylinder, and then just turn around or, you know, spin the little middle portion of it and extend it or collapse it, and that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy video. Anyone could do this. The bolt sizes, it was a Torx 27, it was a 1/4 Allen, and oh my god, I can't remember the other Allen for the part that connects the brake lever to the linkage. But those are your sizes, and again, the only other thing I use was Loctite. So yeah, let me know what you think of this install. Do you have you know, something similar or from a different company that you like? Greene Brothers is awesome. They put out a lot of quality parts. I wish they made more parts because I would like to continue supporting them and what they're doing over there, because they, like I said, they're making very good stuff. In addition to the products being good, their customer service is very good as well. I've had nothing but very, very good responses from them with customer service outlets. So yeah, Greene Brothers, keep doing what you're doing. I really like, it's technically Greene Brothers Designs, GBD, but yeah, I really like what they're doing. So awesome. Let me know what you guys think. Check out the videos at the end of this. Check out the links in the description, my TikTok, my Instagram, all that jazz. You guys know what to do. Make sure you like this video and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I am sweating out in the Florida heat in my garage for you, so return the favor with a thumbs up click. Until the next time, guys, ride safe, have fun. Dad out.